Are you ready to join the YouTube community and become a content creator? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey to starting your own YouTube channel. So grab your PC or laptop, and let's get started. Step 1, first things first, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, you're good to go. But if you don't worry, it's easy to create one. Just go to google.com and sign up. Click on the Create Account button to sign up for a new Google and Gmail account. Step 2, now that you're signed up, go to youtube.com and sign in. You'll be welcomed with the YouTube homepage. Now, it's time to create your channel. Sign in to your Google account if you have not yet done so. Step 3, on the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon, click on it, and select Create My Channel from the drop-down menu. Then, select your preferred name and handle, followed by click on Create Channel button. Step 4. It's time to give your channel a face. Now click the profile icon again. Select your channel, followed by Customize Channel. Now, you can update such as channel name, handle and description under the Channel Customization, Basic Info tab. Remember to click on the Publish button to save the changes and update your channel. In the following video, I'll show you how to make profile picture, banner image, video watermark, etc. Congratulations! You've just created your own YouTube channel. Well, that's it for today's tutorial on how to start your own YouTube channel. I hope you found it helpful and that you'll give it a try. Remember, consistency is key. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.